Hi everyone, pregnancy is a wonderful journey, but did you know that certain foods can put your baby at risk? In this video, we'll reveal the top foods to avoid during pregnancy to ensure a healthy and safe journey for both you and your baby. Stay until the end for some expert tips. Raw meat and seafood. Sushi, rare steak, or raw oysters may sound delicious, but they can harbor harmful bacteria like Listeria and Salmonella. These bacteria increase the risk of miscarriage and stillbirth. Always cook your meat and seafood thoroughly. Unpasteurized dairy and soft cheese. Unpasteurized dairy products like soft cheese, brie, feta, camembert, can carry Listeria, which poses severe health risks. Always choose pasteurized dairy for a safer option. High mercury fish. Some fish, like shark, swordfish, and king mackerel, contain high mercury levels, which can damage the baby's nervous system. Opt for salmon or sardines instead. Caffeine and alcohol. Too much caffeine increases the risk of miscarriage, while alcohol can lead to birth defects. Stick to no more than 200 milligrams of caffeine per day and avoid alcohol entirely. Finally, processed and junk food. Fast food, chips, and sodas contain empty calories and unhealthy fats that may lead to excessive weight gain and gestational diabetes. Choose fresh and nutrient-rich foods instead. Thanks for watching.